Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you guys are doing good. Today in this video, I will show you how I am going to pack for a short 10-day trip. I love packing in an organized way so that I won't waste time in the trip finding the things. So let's get started. And so, as a first step of packing, I will make a list of items that I want to buy before 2 days itself so that I can buy it from a local store or order it online. As you can see, I have brought all the items from a local store. Now I'm going to sanitize them. So let's get to packing. Before packing itself, I have made a list of clothes and accessories which I have to take with me so that I'll have a clear picture. I'll have to categorize my clothes so that it will be easy to access every time. Here I have kept my innerwear in a separate pouch and my swimwear in a separate pouch. So for the rest of the clothes, I am rolling them and placing them like this so that they will take up the less space. These are my two makeup pouches. One consists all my makeup items and this one consists of all my earrings, watches, lipsticks, sunscreens, etc. So now I am going to place all my shoes and footwear in this bag. And also in this I am going to place my towels. My toiletry bag, and most importantly the medicines, all for cold, cough, everything. And the very most important thing in these times is like sanitizer, hand wash, mask, sanitizing wipes, and also a thermometer, oximeter, everything so that we'll be prepared. And also I'm placing this extra like garbage bags so that I can place any wet clothes or already used clothes just to separate them from the regular clothes. So finally, I'm packing all my electronics. This pack we have purchased it from Amazon, and this has lot of compartments where we can keep our camera, lenses, tripod, chargers, everything. And it also has a separate compartment for placing the laptop also. So all my electronics will come in this single bag. Still I have to keep my like phone chargers, everything, because I have to use them before going. I'll pack them. Yeah, that's it. So that's how I pack for a short trip. Not only packing before going on any vacation, I'll make sure that I have turned off the gas and I have cancelled the meal subscription, and I will empty the fridge as much as possible. And also finally I'll recheck whether I have packed everything or not. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more updates like where we are going and for more travel videos from us. Thanks for watching.